So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use Google to create an assignment Dropbox. There are many types of applications and platforms you can use for assignment Dropbox. I just want to show you one that you can do through Google. Now, I have taken the time to already create a template. So if you want a Google assignment Dropbox on your website, this is what you have to do. Click on Create. Go to Google Drive, sign in, click on Create. You're going to create from template. Now this is important. There's many kinds of templates here. You have to be on the Weld RE1 templates, and you will scroll down and find Assignment Dropbox. I'll go ahead and click on Preview so you can see what it looks like. Assignment Dropbox. We have the class period, and we have the 8 periods of the day. You can adjust this. A field for assignment title, a field for a link, and any additional information, and just simply a submit button. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this template. Okay, at this point what happens is this is the form. This is the place where you edit the form that was created. So you could come in here and click on this lovely little pencil right here, and you could change this list to a subject matter list: U.S. history, world history, geography. Or you could keep it like this and subtract out, say, your plan period or your study hall period. Anyway, for this, we're not changing anything. Okay, I am just going to click out of this. Oh, I'm going to save it. And I'm going to close it because I want to show you what it looks like when I reopen this. Okay, so because I already have something called Assignment Dropbox, this will probably appear as copy of Assignment Dropbox in my Google Drive. So let me just close out, come here to my drive, refresh just in case. I want to make sure we see this. And I'm going to scroll down through my drive, and sure enough, right here, copy of assignment Dropbox. I'm going to open this up. What this is a spreadsheet. It's where the data will come. This is all the information, and you will ultimately be able to sort this information by students, by classes, and what have you. I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. Okay, how to use this. Let's go to Form, and I want to go to Live Form. Again, here's what the form looks like. All right? Now, how do we fill this out? How do students fill this out? Well, they have to have a link to their assignment. And yes, it works best, not best, it works if you are having them create assignments or create documents using Google Docs. When you create an assignment with Google Docs, there's this wonderful share button up here. When you click on the share button, you end up with a link to share. Here is the link. Okay, now again, I want to remind you about settings. This is set up so anybody on the internet can find and view it. I don't have a problem sharing some of this stuff, but we only want them to view. You could change it if you're working on a document and say you want to be able to make comments. We could change that as well so people could, so the teacher would actually be able to put in revision requests and so on and so forth. Don't you like that? So on and so forth. Anyway, I have this link. I'm going to copy this link, done, I'm going to go to the form. This is called the color code. I'm going to paste the link in here and no comment at this point. I'm going to click off this. I don't need to see this, but if the students want verification that their file has been submitted, they can keep that clicked. Anyway, you just hit submit. Your response has been recorded. Now, I'm going to show you how this would work in conjunction with other products. There's a product called Dropbox. Totally free product. This is a way to store your documents in the cloud, on the internet, if you will. The same things that you can do as far as sharing through Dropbox, you can pretty much do through Google as well. For this demonstration, I've forgotten what this algebra page is. Not really important. But when you hover over the document that you've put into Dropbox, and again, this is a product, Dropbox.com. I want to make sure you're not confusing it with the assignment Dropbox that I've created. But anyway, when you hover over your file, you can click on this share link. I just want to get the link. Come on, where's my clipboard? Oh, get the link. I'm sorry. It's copied to the clipboard, so I should be able to just paste it. My bad. So, assignment title, algebra. Paste. I hope this worked. Submit. Okay, so as a teacher, what do you see? Here is the spreadsheet. Here we go. I've got the links. In order for me to see these documents, all I have to do is click on the link, and I can see what the student turned in. Close out of some of these. Okay, there we go. It pulled it up. Before I open up the other one, okay, here was the algebra. Yeah, I've got to click on download because it's an EPUB. And here we go. That's going to take 2 minutes. I'm not going to wait for it. Just wanted to demonstrate that there, in fact, you have a Dropbox. You can ultimately, if you want to, filter this information out. Ah, come on. There we go. I'm sorry about that. So if I wanted to filter by the student's name, by the assignment title, we could do that. Click on the field, turn off filter, turn on filter. Sort by periods as well. So sorry that got so messy there at the end. There is an assignment Dropbox.